Well, greetings and welcome to another one of our videos. And this is going to sound familiar because this is something that I've talked about before, but I think it bears revisiting, and that's making quality home movies. Now, the genesis of this was my youngest son, Sam, wanted to make a movie showing a science experiment, and it was really important to him and he wanted to do it. And I figured, why not? I've got all the stuff in my bag that I carry around with me all the time anyway. So I figured I'd pull it out and we could record the video and really make something that he could be proud of. And here is a clip from that video. There's a QR code in the corner. You can go and see the full one. It's not that long. And don't forget to subscribe. He's looking for more subscribers. But anyway, check out a clip from that video, then I'll tell you the gear that I used to make it.
This video was sponsored by Brothers TNS. So basically in this video, this balloon is gonna attract water. My hair is a mess because I've been practicing what I'm gonna do in this video.
So what's going to happen is we're going to take this balloon, we're going to rub it in Sam's hair, and we're going to get it all charged up with some of those free electrons out of his hair, and I'll explain more about that in a little bit. And you're going to see that that will attract water from the sink. So let's rub the balloon in your hair.
So the gear that we use to do that, there's basically two main components to it. The first is the Rode Wireless Pro. Now that is the new wireless system that incorporates 32-bit float as well as all the other great stuff you've come to expect from Rode. And it's this unit right here, and it's got the two transmitters and the receiver. Super great unit. Is it overkill for this project? Absolutely. Does it provide quality sound? Yes. Does it let us get further from the screen? Yes. Does it place the microphone somewhere so we don't have to worry about it? Yes. So I happen to have it anyway. I used it. I mean, any kind of microphone will work great, but I just love the wireless systems for the versatility. And these come with those magnetic clips. You can see that we had them clipped onto our shirts. So I knew the sound was going to be good, and it's a dual channel recorder. So I was recording to one channel, Sam was into the other, which allowed me to edit a bunch of stuff in there because he's 6. He's going to keep playing with the microphone. There's going to be all kinds of pops and things like that on it. So super versatile, super effective, super high quality. Can't recommend it enough. The other thing that we used is the Hercules DG207B phone holder. And this was to hold my iPhone, which I use for the camera, because I still maintain that the camera on the phone for most applications is just fine, but I can't hold it in my hand and do it like a selfie while we're recording a video. So I use the DG207B, which is this right here, and that was just clamped onto a dining room chair. I wasn't even using a mic stand or anything like that with it. It's got the ball that allows it to rotate. It has the spring-loaded clamp for the phone. I didn't even have to take my phone case off of it. So it holds it stable. I can move it to whatever angle I want to. I can get the distance or I can get up close. I can't recommend it enough. So those two pieces of gear plus my iPhone were all that I used to create that video. And I think it's a really effective video because it's the vision that Sam had. Oh, and then I edited it in DaVinci Resolve, free piece of software. We've talked about that in the past. So this isn't that complicated to do, but it really ups the level of your content. And it doesn't just have to be home movies. It can be anything. I use this kind of setup all the time to make all kinds of videos. So I hope you understand, I'm just trying to help you elevate your content and make stuff that's really worth watching and is really getting your message out. So thank you so much for watching. As always, comment below, let me know what you think. Like, share, and subscribe. We'll catch up with you next time.
If you're facing a unique problem with podcasting or remote learning, we can help. Reach out to us at thepodcastingstore.com and we'll see what solutions we can find for you. And if you like what you hear, do me a favor and tell a friend. Follow us on Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and sign up for our e-newsletter, and you'll never miss another podcast or video again. This is Drew with thepodcastingstore.com. Thank you for listening.